All right, third grade, for today's activity, you're going to be getting on a website called Reflex Math. So you can type in Reflex Math into your Google search. You do not have this in your class link, so you cannot go to class link to try to find this. Okay, so Google, type in Reflex Math. It's the first one that pops up. Log in. You're going to log in as a student. When you log in as a student, this is what your screen looks like. You're going to log in using my username, Jessica Garza. Go. And then you're going to have the three different homerooms we have. My homeroom, Miss Humphrey's homeroom, and Miss Reagan's homeroom. So you're going to click who you're logging into. So if you're in my homeroom, this is who you click. If you're in Miss Humphrey's, you would click Miss Humphrey's. If you're in Miss Reagan, you would click Miss Reagan's. So I'm going to demonstrate from a student in my classroom. Okay? And then you're going to enter your password. Your password are your initials and then your lunch number. Your password is your initials and then your lunch number, and then you're going to log in. And you're just going to follow the directions that it's telling you to do, okay? This is brand new to you right now, so you're going to have zero facts. Fluent, that's okay. I don't expect anybody to have anything because this is the first time we're using this. You're going to click Start.
I am Crab. Oh, hello. Welcome to Reflex. My name is Mr. Crab, but you may call me Krabby. Makes no difference to me.
Okay, and you're just going to listen to this, and then you're going to be following the directions. You're going to be taking like a placement test first, and then you'll be able to get started on practicing. So, to log in to Reflex Math, you're going to type my name, Jessica Garza. You're going to click your homeroom, and then you're going to enter in your initials and your lunch number. Okay, so this is what you're going to be doing. I really encourage you to be practicing this for 20 minutes today, but this is something that you can be practicing a lot, and you can be practicing this every day. This is going to help you learn your multiplication and division facts, which is really, really important in third grade, and then it's going to be super important in fourth grade. So this is something that you can get on whenever you want, but this is your activity today, and I am going to be checking to see your progress at the end of today and see how much you have done. So I encourage you to be on here for at least 20 minutes today.